Many of the big names, including Microsoft earlier this week, issuing disappointing guidance, to say the least. Is this concerning to you as you look at the broader market, I wonder?
Yes, it's concerning. However, many stocks have discounted that decline in earnings, and that helps to explain the January pop.
Any stocks offhand come to mind there that fit the description you just described?
Well, I think if you look at the major large cap tech stocks, they very quickly, in about 13 months, declined from 8.5 times sales to under 4 times sales. Companies like Amazon and Alphabet got attracted from a long-term basis. I think in the fullness of time, they're going to recover handsomely, but in the next couple of months and the next 2 quarters, I think they'll have some earnings problems.
Well, speaking of earnings, we do have a big week on tap coming up. We got Amazon, Apple, Alphabet, so many more names. Is there a particular name, I wonder, Doug, that you think you will be most focused on?
Well, I think the focus will clearly be on large cap tech next week: Amazon, Apple, and Alphabet. This week, I sold my Amazon and Alphabet holdings, as discussed in Real Money Pro, after the really extraordinary rally in January, again, which was antithetical to the consensus expectations. I do think, however, and the reason I sold it is everything I do is I look at upside reward versus downside risk, and the appeal was greatly diminished with the rally in the stocks over the last 4 or 5 weeks. And I think the next quarter or two will show that COVID pulled forward sales for all three companies. And that may be problematic over the short term.
Any advice for members who may be a bit worried about their own tech positions?
If your time frame is 1 year, 6 months to a year, I would be a bit concerned. As I said, a period of sluggish and disappointing earnings lie ahead over the next few quarters. If your time frame is several years, I would be buying this weakness.